Namaste everyone. Welcome to ninth lecture of polynomials. And this lecture we are going to revise algebraic identities and we solve some problems of exercise 2.5. Now let us first revise identities. First identity is x plus y the whole square is equals to x square plus 2xy plus y square. Second identity is x minus y the whole square is equals to x square minus 2xy plus y square. Third identity is x square minus y square is equals to x plus y into x minus y. Fourth identity is x plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Fifth identity is x plus y plus z the whole square is equals to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. Sixth identity is x plus y the whole cube is equals to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. If we open the bracket, we get x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube. Now here we have rearranged the terms also. Next identity is x minus y the whole cube is equals to x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into bracket x minus y. If we expand, we will get x cube minus 3xy square y plus 3xy square minus y cube. And last we have x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equals to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Now if the value of x plus y plus z is 0, then in that case we will get x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equals to 0, right? So we can say that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equals to 3xyz. Now let us solve few problems. Sixth problem, first question is 2x plus 1 the whole cube. So already we have seen that x plus y the whole cube is equals to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy in bracket x plus y. So if we apply this identity, we will get 2x the whole cube plus 1 the whole cube plus 3 into 2x into 1 in bracket 2x plus 1, right? What we have done, we have taken cube of first term plus cube of second term plus 3 into first term into second term into in bracket we have first term plus second term. Now if you open the bracket, we will get 8x cube plus 1 plus 3 to the 6 to the 12 x square plus 3 to the 6 x. We rearrange them in decreasing order of powers of x. So we get 8x cube plus 12x square plus 6x plus 1. So this is how we expand. Now for x plus y the whole cube, we have seen two formula. One formula is x cube plus y cube plus 3xy in bracket x plus y. The other formula we have seen is x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube, right? So we will again solve the same problem with the help of second identity which we have seen. So here we are going to use identity x plus y the whole cube as x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube. So here we get 2x the whole cube plus 3 into 2x the whole square into 1 plus 3 into 2x into 1 square plus 1 cube. On simplification we get 8x cube plus this is 4x square, so 4 3 is 12x square plus this is 6x and finally 1. So this is how we expanded this 2x plus 1 the whole cube. So it is your choice whether you are going to use the formula as x plus y the whole cube as x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y, or you can directly use the formula as x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube. Now let us see the second question, 2a minus 3b the whole cube. So again using identity x minus y the whole cube as x cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square minus y cube, we get 2a the whole cube minus 3 into 2a the whole square into 3b plus 3 into 2a into 3b square minus 3b the whole cube. We simplify, so we get 8a cube minus this is 4, this is 3, this is 3, so 9 4 the 36, 36 a square by plus this is 54 ab square minus 27 b cube. Third question is 3 by 2 x plus 1 the whole cube. So again we are going to use the identity of x plus y the whole cube as x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square. So here it is 3 by 2x the whole cube plus 3 into 3 by 2x the whole square into 1 plus 3 into 3 by 2x into 1 square plus 1 cube. So this gives me 27 divided by 8x cube plus 27 divided by 4x square plus 9 divided by 2x plus 1. Fourth problem is x minus 2 by 3y the whole cube. Now here you pause the video and try to solve yourself. We are going to use identity as x minus y the whole cube as x cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square minus y cube. So here I get x cube minus 3 into x square into 2 by 3y plus 3 into x into 2 by 3y the whole square minus 2 by 3y the whole cube. So on simplification I get x cube minus 2x square y plus 4 by 3 xy square minus 8 divided by 27 y cube. Seventh problem is 99 the whole cube. Now this 99 the whole cube can be written as 100 minus 1 the whole cube. Here again we are going to use the identity x minus y the whole cube as x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. So we will get 100 cube minus 1 cube minus 3 into 100 into 1 into 100 minus 1. On simplification I will get 10 lakh minus 1 minus 300 into 99. On simplification that gives me answer as 9,70,299. Next question is 102 the whole cube. So this 102 the whole cube we can write as 100 plus 2 the whole cube. We are going to use the identity that x plus y the whole cube as x cube plus y cube plus 3xy in bracket x plus y. So here I get 100 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 into 100 into 2 into n bracket 100 plus 2. 100 cube is 10 lakh plus 2 cube is 8 plus 600 into 102. On simplification I will get answer as 10,61,208. Now the next question is 998 the whole cube. This 998 the whole cube can be written as 1000 minus 2 the whole cube. We are going to use identity as x minus y the whole cube as x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. So here we will get 1000 cube minus 2 cube minus 3 into 1000 into 2 into 1000 minus 2. On simplification we will get 100 crore minus 8 minus 6000 into 998. On simplification we will get 99 crore 40 lakh 11,992. Now here we have to factorize. If you look this expression, it is of the form x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square. So this is nothing but it is the formula for x plus y the whole cube. So we are going to express these terms as x cube plus y cube plus 3xy in bracket x plus y. So this 8a cube we can write 2a the whole cube plus b cube plus this 12a square b I can write as 3 into 2a into b in bracket 2a. So that will give me 3 to the 6 to the 12, 12a square b plus b, that will give me 6ab square. So we are expressing this term as x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y form, and hence we can say that this is 2a plus b the whole cube. Now 2a plus b the whole cube is 2a plus b into 2a plus b into 2a plus b. I hope you understand here what we have done for this 12a square b plus 6ab square, right? Here you can say that 6 is common, so you have taken 6 out, then ab is common, so you have taken ab common, and you have rearranged that 6ab as 3 into 2a into b, so that you come in this particular form, that is 3 into first term into second term. and then inside bracket you have 2a plus b. Now let us see the next question. 8a cube minus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square. So here it is of the form of x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square. So we can say that a cube x cube minus y cube minus 3xy in bracket x minus y, in that form we can rearrange, and hence we will write this as 2a the whole cube minus b cube minus 3 into 2a into b into 2a minus b, and this gives me 2a minus b the whole cube. So it is 2a minus b into 2a minus b into 2a minus b. Third question is 27 minus 125a cube minus 135a plus 225a square. Now try to solve by yourself. This you can see that this 27 is cube of 3, 125a cube is cube of 5a the whole cube. This minus 135a plus 225a square I will write as 3 into 3 into 5a in bracket 3 minus 5a. So finally I will get 3 minus 5a the whole cube. So this is 3 minus 5a into 3 minus 5a into 3 minus 5a. The next question is 64a cube minus 27b cube minus 144a square b plus 108ab square. So here first term is cube of 4a, second term is cube of 3b, third and fourth term I will express in form of 3xy in bracket x minus y. So we will write this expression as 4a cube minus 3b cube minus 3 into 4a into 3b in bracket 4a minus 3b. You can expand and check, you are getting the above answer. So this is 4a minus 3b the whole cube, and I will write this as 4a minus 3b into 4a minus 3b into 4a minus 3b. Now next question is 27 p cube minus 1 upon 126 minus 9 upon 2p square plus 1 upon 4p. So again here we are going to use the identity as x cube minus y cube as minus 3xy in bracket x minus y as x minus y the whole cube. So this 27p cube is cube of 3p, 1 upon 216 is cube of 1 upon 6, and then rest of the terms I will express as minus 3 into 3p into 1 upon 6 into 3p minus 1 upon 6. You can open and see, you will get the above expression. So this is 3p minus 1 upon 6 the whole cube. So we will write this as 3p minus 1 upon 6 into 3p minus 1 upon 6 into 3p minus 1 upon 6. So in this lecture we will stop here. We will see some more problems in the coming lecture. Thank you.